Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Veryx SAMTEST platform, an automated service activation and diagnostics testing solution for carrier Ethernet services. SAMTEST is a browser-based GUI application that can perform tests and diagnostics using Veryx test probes located at various points in the service provider network. During this demo, we will provide a quick overview of the ease with which SAMTEST can be used to perform service activation testing, which includes not only the QoS test but also a number of other tests that can quickly detect potential problems which can arise down the line. SAMTEST provides a reliable solution to quickly ensure that thorough verification of circuits is performed before service turn-up. To start with, after a service provider user logs in, he or she would need to key in the details of the products that are to be offered to customers. The product definition includes the service level agreements or SLAs for the services that the service providers guarantee their customers. To create a product in SAMTEST, specify details such as VLAN preservation, bandwidth profile, and performance parameters. When a customer orders the product, the new customer information needs to be added and an associated circuit needs to be created with the specified SLA. To create a customer, specify the customer details. Then create a circuit for the customer by specifying the circuit name, service type, product which we just created, and CVLAN information for the service. Once the circuit is created, service activation testing can be performed either using option 1, Veryx test probes at both the ends, option 2, Veryx test probe at one end and a NID at the other end. The available test probes and NIDs can be viewed under the menu item Assets. The test probes and NIDs are configured as required by the test profiles. Once the test probes are configured, a test profile needs to be selected. A test profile is a suite of test scenarios that the service provider intends to verify for the service. The test library is classified based on service type and the test method as you see on your screen. We have three types: CE 2.0 functionality test using data frames, CE 2.0 functionality test using SOAM LBM frames, and finally Y.1564 test. Each library has pre-built test profiles. The tests are further classified into activation tests and diagnostic tests. As you can see on the screen, each of the functionality tests such as VLAN preservation, cost preservation, M2 size handling, L2CP frame handling, SOAM frame handling, information rate test, burst size test, and performance tests are grouped appropriately. If during execution the test fails, then SAMTEST provides specially designed pre-built diagnostic tests to enable quick troubleshooting. Service providers can create additional test profiles based on the available test suite. SAMTEST is also flexible for customization or addition of tests. Once the test profile is chosen, proceed with the test execution. During execution of the test, running log of test execution is displayed in the console. During test execution, the live chart displays the running values of transmit rate, receive rate, and frame delay variation. SAMTEST stores the historical test reports which can be retrieved based on timelines and reviewed. The report summary displays the number of tests that passed, failed, or pending. SAMTEST also displays a detailed report for the circuit in a birth certificate format. These birth certificates can be exported into a PDF file and published to the customer and other stakeholders. The report lists the values of performance parameters in a tabular format as well as in various types of graphical charts to allow easy comprehension of results. SAMTEST also displays the test details, test results, and detailed test logs. The test log highlights the failure reason. For example, in this case, VLAN preservation verification has failed. SAMTEST highlights the VLAN mismatch, that is, expected versus received VLAN. This is a different scenario where burst handling test has failed. SAMTEST highlights the packet count mismatch, that is, expected versus received packets. A failed test would point to the relevant diagnostic test to be performed for further analysis. In this case, the diagnostic test concludes that the issue is due to over-provisioned burst. All in all, SAMTEST is a quick and reliable solution to help service providers perform thorough verification of circuits before service turn-up. For further information or to schedule a detailed demonstration, please write to info@veryxtech.com. Thank you.